Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're diving into Payoneer, a versatile platform that empowers businesses and freelancers to manage their international payments seamlessly. At www.payoneer.com, you'll discover a comprehensive suite of tools designed to simplify cross-border transactions, making receiving and sending money across the globe a breeze. Whether you're a small business owner dealing with international clients or a freelancer working remotely, Payoneer offers solutions tailored to your specific needs. One of the key features of Payoneer is its ability to provide users with local receiving accounts. This means you can get paid as if you had a bank account in the countries where your clients are based. This greatly simplifies the payment process and reduces the often hefty fees associated with international transfers. Imagine getting paid in euros, US dollars, British pounds, and Japanese yen, all directly into your Payoneer account. It streamlines your finances and allows you to manage multiple currencies with ease. Beyond receiving payments, Payoneer also facilitates sending money to vendors and contractors around the world. The platform offers competitive exchange rates and transparent fee structures, ensuring you always know what you're paying. This is particularly beneficial for businesses working with a global network of suppliers. No more confusing wire transfers or hidden charges. Payoneer keeps it simple and straightforward. They even offer a prepaid MasterCard, allowing you to access your funds directly and use them for online purchases or at ATMs worldwide. For freelancers, Payoneer provides a secure and efficient way to receive payments from international clients and marketplaces. Many popular online platforms integrate directly with Payoneer, further simplifying the process. Imagine seamlessly receiving payments from clients across the globe, all consolidated into your single Payoneer account. It's a powerful tool that allows freelancers to focus on what they do best, their work, without the hassle of complex payment arrangements. So, whether you're a growing business or a thriving freelancer, Payoneer offers a range of solutions to streamline your international financial operations. Visit www.payoneer.com today to learn more and explore how this platform can empower your global financial journey. Be sure to explore their various pricing plans to find the one that best suits your needs. Don't forget to stay tuned to Rome Tech for more insightful reviews and tech tips.